Leave it to Hercules to create the plumbing industry's best watertight plumber's putty that resists hardening, crumbling, cracking, and shrinking. Hercules' easy-to-form plumber's putty is flexible, stretchable, and compound, making it an excellent addition to any DIY or commercial project. The putty's non-mastic properties make it suitable for setting bowls, fixtures, faucets, basin caulks, strainers, plugs, and sink frames. For quality performance, professionals recommend making a 1/2 inch thick rope of putty to line along the underside of the flange of the product you wish to install. Remember to blend together the ends of the rope. Carefully peel away excess putty after installation. Only from Hercules, the pick of the professional.